The AB15J Plus is updated from the AB15J, which has been in the market for over 10 years. Sinoboom's high quality is continued, with the AB15J Plus update providing improved operation efficiency and a lower TCO. Greater platform capacity, increased from 250 kg to 300 kg, enabling more tools and materials to be carried, improving work efficiency. Continuous turntable rotation, continuous rotation is standard, enabling more flexible operation. Active oscillation function. The update to active oscillation enables oscillating in both stowed and raised positions, for improved rough terrain capability, enhanced safety, and savings on operation time. Piston hydraulic pump. The function pump has been updated from a gear to a piston pump, which enables improved oil flow and higher oil pressure, for enhanced multi-boom function and improved operation efficiency. 18 kW low power engine. It is equipped with a Kubota 18 kW engine, emissions compliant with European Stage 5 and US Tier 4 regulations, and others. Simple to maintain and decreased total cost of ownership. Thanks to the hydraulic system efficiency improvements, the low maintenance 18 kW, 25 HP engine can achieve a 40% gradability and excellent driving performance on muddy job sites.